eye kuma karafa do run after metoxic ya ba se de no aye di kan e ma moten kan no ne na gala eye Easter gala stronko bi kra ekoso e wa Poache Spark a ewo new tafo achim na ye nua ba ko aye fe ne Dakyehene ono na organize sa program yi fefefe na ye ni organizer ebedi hu nkomo na ebisa ne so but aye ben na tai eye program ye chi na all the babe yo ye nua na ti sen
nyame ado me ho ye
yo me pa cho bebo din na what una you organizer of the to bebo ye first
from Ibrahim Masoud you don't have from Tanko
yo Tanko ye hu se o ma organize gala say but tai ben na ti echi
oh we nyame da sen so Easter gala ana ya organize na gala ni na ye say community ni ma youth no omo pe ball no omo ni ball no so ball eti no even so a tournament we dey free in kabom dey showcase boys na talent eti no ni na ye in kabom I be say na dey yenya ewo the community among ye youth no ana asante the eastern so I dey abanje say na dey ye body dey ejiji eni ti anu ntia na ye organize sa tournament we
now how many teams do send na participate
oh teams on by your community base the communities Abuakwa no back 8 at Japan so many embedi sagro
Abuakwa not nko na say within the Abuakwa not na say be free outside the Abuakwa not
oh within the Abuakwa lot pinin say obi amfi outside the Abuakwa lot and join the the Abuakwa lot for nko communities na they are coming together say be say they di agro
ye nya nti say ye bra back wa ye friend Dakyehene na esukura mumu a mo organize program Dakyehene no no ye hwan
oh Dakyehene tafo boy osu no nyi ye osu no tena school na je ne call UK eja me ni deep nkomo say be say Easter tournament ono so Japan ye say eja sama kan inside ya since I dey ni nkomo meba I am fan to come by Easter so by say dey egi eni nti no me catch ono so Japan ye say wate ahonim bia ne mo bia e be ye amagala na aye kama na obe dey obeboa edina ma ono so Japan nti no e might begin to so as Dakyehene Easter tournament as a main sponsor
e ba be ye ade a every season bia e be bo na say we dey that as 3 days ade bi ye wi na no no
oh ya sha say you say we are first edition of Dakyehene trophy and in your boy we are every year e be bo till next year no e be san abo a guest soccer so ya dey aka ho
next year no mo be improve no
sure next year na any boys nko be san guest soccer in around the community na man o mo ni born na showcase some talent so
na the obe wini afa tro crew ano sika bi ka ho ana say den na obenya
oh the obe wini no ye man on medals a gold medal 25 ni a man sika of 2000 any trophy and a second place a man 1500 and a medal 25 third place in so 1000 cedis any medal 25 and